Hey, I'm just out here in the old CP. It's like a Turbo Man live action, right? So I had paralysis by analysis, I should say, on Julia's wedding because I'm doing all the centerpieces and had to make a decision. So I did, and that's what this tree is right here. I gotta buy a couple more. I'm waiting for the discount though. So it's cheaper to do the centerpieces. It's going to be like 16, 20 centerpieces. So this is like Douglas fir. I could just cut this stuff up, make the centerpieces. I got to buy some other stuff, but probably throw in another tree, get some different foliage in there. But that's the plan. And the thing is, these Christmas trees and greens, man, they came from the West Coast and they were cut probably back in August or September. They've been cut for a long time. So people wonder, well, you don't have fresh cut. Well, these haven't been cut for a long time. So I went ahead and bought this tree. I got to buy a couple more though, but that's the start. So yeah, it's out here frozen. I'm frozen too. Sunday evening, 10 o'clock. That's the first tree. Got to buy a couple more. Yeah, I've got some different plans. I'll probably buy another one, try to get it like 50% off. This one I only paid like $5 for because I had a coupon from all the shit I bought at Menards. So, but that will make a lot of centerpieces. Still gotta make another one. We'll make it work though. Yeah, I've been gone through different things for the wedding, and I have this like little list in my head that I had deadlines that, hey, the wedding is this date, and you need to have this done by this date, otherwise it ain't gonna happen. So this is one of the things determining the centerpieces. The other thing is getting my clothes to the dry cleaner and Grant's too. So I dropped that off on Saturday morning, and that'll be ready on Thursday next week, so I can cross that off my list. But it's like I just had this whole discussion about Grant of time management, where you've got to plan this shit out, otherwise you're just gonna run out of time. And once that time passes, guess what? You're out of time. It ain't gonna happen. So you gotta have deadlines on shit that you're gonna do. And my next deadline is ordering stuff to make the centerpieces. So that's it. But yeah. So I'm out here Sunday evening, and it's cold, and that's a beautiful tree. I can make a lot of centerpieces off that. I'll probably buy another one, buy some picks. But I got a timeline, so that'll all work out good. But yeah, it'll work out good. And I don't know. I haven't even thought about my daughter being married. That's kind of like a fleeting thought. I guess I'll probably realize that when she does get married. But I don't know. Right now, I feel like, I don't know. I hate to say this, but I don't know if I feel anything different or not. But I guess when she actually gets married, I'm just glad, that it's nice that your daughter, somebody else is looking after her, so I can kind of cross off my list, I should say. I've got two other kids at home, Emily and Grant, that I worry about. I worry about my daughter, but I'm glad that Jimmy's there to take care of her. So if she has a problem, she go talk to Jimmy. And that's a good feeling that I know someone's there to take care of her. So I think that gives me solace that I don't worry about her because I know if she has a problem, Jimmy will take care of it. And I guess worst case scenario, she'll come back to me and then I'll have to deal with it. But I don't want to have to deal with it. So it's been nice having Jimmy there. And I welcome him to the family if you're watching Jimmy. So I guess that's about it for tonight. And am I done? No. Still got a few more beers to drink. But it's been a long weekend. And again, that's the tree. And probably wrap this baby up. This is the inside of the shed. It's a mess. Grant has taken over the shed with all his tools. And I don't know. A couple years ago, I was out here every weekend and enjoying myself at the bar and drinking a cocktail or so. But as I get older, oh, I'm in bed early. Tonight's an anomaly, actually. But yeah, we'll do it again. But all right, I'm going to let you go. Not done yet tonight, but I will talk to you later. Bye bye.